We're a domestic soundproofing company that installs sound insulation to walls, ceilings and floors, which reduces the noise and allows people to stay in the home they love. We also build unique multi-purpose soundproof rooms that give any house a massive wow factor, a room where the family can enjoy making lots of noise without bothering their neighbours. We've reduced noise for over 300 plus people over the last 10 years. Noise problems from noisy neighbours through to soundproof steam rooms. We've been featured in the Sunday Times and been live on BBC Radio. We've been also hired to give noise consultancy for Aston Martin, Boots, Jaguar Land Rover, to name a few. We have found that unwanted noise in the home is usually caused by noise from neighbours, road traffic noise, or wanting to make noise yourself. When a homeowner struggling with noise approaches us, they often feel stressed and annoyed with the noise. It affects their sleep, their health, and it puts a strain on the relationship with anyone around them. Their house doesn't feel like a home. And no matter what they do, they just can't seem to feel settled. And they find themselves always thinking of moving. Because they have no privacy in their own home and they're hearing every aspect of their neighbours' daily lives, it makes them very aware of what they're doing in their own home. After a soundproofing installation, they don't feel like that anymore. Having experienced firsthand that horrible sinking feeling in your stomach when you can hear your neighbours in your own home, I realised that this is not the case for just my house, and it's the case for millions of people across the UK suffering from unwanted noise in their home. And it doesn't have to be like this. I believe that unwanted noise in your home is caused by the construction of the building. I believe we can change the way we build houses, reducing noise in homes. If you have a noise problem, I really want to soundproof your house. I think you could really benefit from it. Most clients wish they had called us years ago. The first step is to simply fill out the contact form on the website. Book a free noise diagnosis, a friendly chat about your noise problem. There's no obligation for a home visit or consultation. We do not do any hard sell. We simply have a passion for helping you with your noise problem. Simply fill out the 5 tabs on the form and get on your way to reducing the noise. We're best known for our reduction in noise, our quality installations and our professional service. We leave families feeling good about their home, settled, comfortable, feeling like they don't ever want to move. We will reduce the noise, allowing you to stay in the home you love.